Hey everyone, I just located an old dump site here. This is what I got so far. I thought I better start filming some of this stuff. It's a nice old one. Got a chip out of that edge there, but nice purplish color. This here is a cork top Minard's Liniment. Mold number on the bottom. Like a 119 or I guess it'd probably be a 611. I don't know. Look at this one. Nice aqua blue color. Big aqua blue bottle. It's not embossed. Seam goes up to the lip, but it's an oldie. Another cork top there. Alright, I'm going to get looking around here. And there's definitely some old glass here. Oh. Click it out. Club mark. I don't know what that is. Looks like an oldie. Eskimo with a bottle on the bottom of it. Keep that one yet. Alright. Back to you in a bit. We got a keeper here, folks. He's not broke. Sweet. Sanford's inks, 1 pint, and library paste. Look at that. Cool. I like that. Nice. Alright. Keep poking around here. Get some pictures here too. On the next one. Check this one out. Triangular cork top. No embossing on it, but not flawed either. No cracks or anything in it. Sweet. Oh, jeez. The lantern part there. Alright. See what else is here. Mason jar cover. Purple one under this root. Oh, Vaseline. Chesebrough, New York. Sweet. I'll take that. Check out this purple one over there. It's almost glowing. Broke, but it's old. Handle. That's been in the sun for quite a while. See how purple that is. Wow. Nice one. I should keep that. Crazy. There's a glass there too. Oh, there's another one. Old bottles. Man, these are old. Put the cork top there. Blue one over there. Okay. Back up on the bit. Just uncover this one. Pendleton's Panacea. Fraser Horton and Company Limited. Cookshire, Quebec, Canada. Oh, sorry, there it is. It's a nice one. That's old. Seam stops right up at the shoulder here. Alright, let's keep looking around. I got a pile of bottles here now, just off the surface. Nice spot. Well, hey everyone. I'm gonna get out of here for now. I got a pile of them, and all I have with me is a plastic bag to carry them out, so I'll take what I think are the best ones, and I'll come back later and do some digging and get some other ones. I was just scraping the surface here tonight. But I broke that one by mistake. I'll have to glue it back together. Alright, so I'm going to get out of here and I'll come back at another time. We'll get these cleaned up and see what we can do with them. Hey everyone, back with the roundup. So I got this, tried out this new dump somebody told me about. Turned out really well. is basically like a 1920s. We'll start off, and the stuff was all basically found right on the surface too, so couldn't believe it. This here rum bottle I found as I was leaving the place in the bushes. It was a little ways off, so it wasn't in the main dump. It's Caldwell rum. It was broke. I glued the back together, and that was dated in the 1950s, I believe. But it's nice. Check out the embossing on that. Right on. Sanford inks and library paste, 1930s. This here Clicquot Club is a ginger ale apparently. It's got the Eskimo on the bottom. And that was 1920s. Minard Liniment, 1920s. And just for comparison, I've got a clear one here as well. They're pretty much the exact same other than the color. I just want to show the different color variations to some people that may not have seen the tube different before. This spoon, it's silver plated. I keep these sometimes. That's a big one, eh? Watkins Liniment, another 1920s, corked up. Johnson's American Anodyne Liniment. That's another 1920s. This Watkins, that was a pain reliever for minor aches and pains, muscles and joints. Pendleton's Panacea. All kinds of writing on that one. Fraser Thornton and Company. Cookshire, Quebec. That was a cure-all, wonder drug apparently. We got the Chesebrough Vaseline, that's an oldie, nice purplish color. And then that's another one that's just clear. This big bottle here, it's a screw top. I don't know what was in it, it's not embossed, but I like the shape of it. And here's another one that I like the shape of. It's a triangular one. Seam goes right up to the top, so it's in the 1900s. Early 1920s probably. Nice. We got a couple Raleighs. They're nice ones. They're for stomach ailments for the most part, I guess. This one's got that gray tint to it, so that's probably dated 1915, 1925, somewhere in that range. And then these few dark purple pieces there, I just like the color, so I brought them home. Alright folks, that's everything. Thanks for watching. Catch us on the next one. Good luck and happy hunting.